Hello everyone, I'm back today with a layout for Cut to You. I'm going to be scrapbooking these two photos of my puppy, and I have one of the brand new cut files that was released in February that I'm going to use on my page. I'm going to work with these papers from my How to Color Kit with Style for the month of February. These are some older patterns from Basic Grays, Green at Heart. And I want to back my cut file with all those pretty colors. So I got this far in backing my cut file, and I decided that I wanted to take that smaller photo of my pup and put him right in the middle of my sun. So I'm going to show you how I do this. I'm just taking an ink pen and drawing a circle around where I want to cut on my photo. Once you have those guidelines and you know how big everything needs to be, you could use a die if you wanted. I'm just going to use my scissors, and I'm just going to cut inside the line. And that way my photo will fit perfectly in that little center of my sunshine, and it will also allow me to have a little bit of an extra edge to be able to glue the photo in there perfectly. And once I have my photo adhered in the center, I'm going to go ahead and back each of the rays in each of my patterned papers. So once I had my cut file all backed, I'm going to go ahead and map my other photo. Does not like me this morning. I'm going to go ahead and mat this photo with some of my orange pattern paper from my kit. If you are interested at all in seeing how I created my How to Color Kit with Style, or what our theme is for the month of February, I will link that video in the description box, which will have all the information that you need to possibly create your own. So this is my plan for my layout basically. I still have a lot of embellishing to do, but I am going to set my page up this way. I know in my kit I have this package of ephemera, and I know there are some really large pieces of ephemera in this kit, so I'm going to pull those out and use this wide open space that I have in my layout design to add one of those larger pieces of ephemera that I know is in that kit, in that pack. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to audition a couple of these big pieces of ephemera, but I'm going to land on the hot air balloon because we have my title, my little ray of sunshine, and hot air balloons are up in the sky, and I have a sun. So I've got kind of that airy, just follow me here, sky kind of idea going. And so I thought the hot air balloon fit really well. It sort of kind of went with my theme if you really like just kind of made it, I guess. And I will never use that hot air balloon on anything else. So the fact that it sort of kind of fit with my theme of my layout, and because it fit beautifully in that open spot, I am going for it. I didn't want any butterflies on my page. I did think about it because, again, it kind of goes with the sky theme, the hot air balloon, the sunshine. But I decided that I really just wanted to create a couple of smaller clusters with these florals. I love how this ephemera pack really kind of sets off this older Basic Gray collection, because the Basic Gray collection is from 2009, so it's very old for paper. And the ephemera pack is new. I just got it, and my thought process was that if this works, and it works beautifully, then maybe I can go ahead and grab a couple of the other ephemera packs from Stamperia that have this kind of look to them, and then I'll have some embellishments that I can pull and maybe work through some more of my Basic Gray stash. We'll see. Other thing I wanted to point out here is I am just like you guys. Cutting into my basic gray stash was hard. But because I backed a cut file, these patterns are getting shown off. Beautiful, you can see the patterns, but I still have pretty big pieces of paper left. So while I am cutting into my basic gray stash, I am trying to do it in such a way that I don't feel bad because these papers are irreplaceable. Like, I cannot get these papers again. And so I really am trying to give them the most bang I get. So as many layouts as I can with these patterns. That's what I'm kind of going for while using up my stash. So I'm not using my stash willy-nilly. I'm not cutting into these papers and just going like crazy. I'm actually thinking through this pretty well, which kind of makes me laugh. In the description box below, you will find a link to this beautiful cut file, as well as a link to the Cut to You blog, where you can read out more about this page that I created. Now comes the hard part, getting everything down exactly the way I had it before, because I set this whole page up and didn't glue anything down. I don't know what I was thinking. Anyway, if you've made it this far in my video, thank you so much for being here. You guys, my subscribers, everyone who comments, I appreciate you all so much. And I really enjoy having this little corner of the interwebs all to myself, where all of you are supportive and kind. And just thank you for being here. If you are new to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe and hit that like button and do all the things. We really do enjoy our little YouTube community here. And I know that my videos are not perfect. I know my grammar is not perfect. I know that sometimes I say things all kind of wonky backwards. But still, thank you for putting up with me and staying with me. Because sometimes I spell everything right. I don't make any grammatical mistakes. And I say all the words correctly. Sometimes. I hope that you all have a fabulous day. And I will see you all again soon. Have a great weekend, because this is going up Friday evening. So if you're watching this Friday evening in the US, then I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. And look, I did it. Got all those pieces exactly where they were before. Don't ask me how, I don't know. But here are all of the close-ups, and I will see you again soon. Bye.